What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing August's Yes Oh Yas bag. So I've got, and you guys know I love these bags. They are monthly. They're about $18 a month. If you are interested, I do have a link below that you can click to subscribe to get this every month. I do earn a little bit of a commission off it if you do subscribe to that link. If not, you can go directly to their website, but make sure you use the code YOY so you can get 10% off. And these are always, there's about 4 or 5 products, always full size package or makeup. And I'm trying to think of anything else. Oh, if you're interested in spoilers for next month's bag, I will have their Instagram link down below so you guys can see what's up. Or if you just want to stalk them and see if you want, kind of just stalk and see what kinds of things that they get each month before you decide to subscribe, you can do that as well, because I definitely did. So we're going to go ahead and get in this bag. I do not know. I've been slacking on my whole Instagram stalking, so I'm not really sure what all I got for this month. So it'll be a nice surprise. But I'll go ahead and just pull out the card. The card is, the theme for this month is time to travel. So this is it right here. And, oh, this is August box. And you receive a free gift every time you complete 4 consecutive months. You just got to tell them, hey, I've been with y'all for 4 months. Give me my free product. And they will. It says so on the card. So I'm going to go ahead and start pulling out the goodies. Alright, let's see. I've got, an eyebrow brush from Aesthetica. So, this is it right here, which you always need a really good eyebrow brush. The spoolie is like my best friend in the whole entire world because I love to use it on my eyebrows before I throw in my gimme brow. And then these little brushes, I don't really do too much detailing on my eyebrows because normally I just spool them out and then I throw in gimme brow, but I could always use a good spooling. And then this is the other side if you do use pomades or anything like that. So you can kind of see how thin it is, which is nice because a lot of people love like that thin brush so they can really get those brush strokes in there. So I'm really excited about that. I love anytime I get brushes or anything of that sort because you can never have enough, trust me. The next thing we got is a Mirabella eyeshadow primer, which you guys know I've been on the hunt for an eyeshadow primer. I've been using mostly just my foundation or concealer. So I'm interested in this. So this is the packaging right here. The Mirabella eyeshadow primer. Let's see if it's like clear or cream or whatever color. It's like it comes out a little, it's got a little bit of a scent to it, but nothing bad. So it's like that, and then you probably just need to tap it out to where it's kind of clear. So not bad. I'll have to try it out and see how my eyeshadow does on top of it. Next thing we got is Zatic Relieve Eye Serum. For all skin types, pomegranate and eye bright, antioxidant cocktail for firmness. So this is the box right here, which is exciting because I was literally just looking for an eye serum to get. So it says revitalizing formula to rekindle and elevate the youthfulness of delicate skin under the eyes. Our lightweight formula absorbs quickly while smoothing and softening the appearance of wrinkle lines and subsiding the puffiness under the eyes. 1 to 2 pumps onto clean face. I don't know why I said that. So this is it right. Oh my god. Weird little pump looking thing. You guys see that? And it like goes out. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pump a little out so you guys can see it. Oh, I was not ready. So that is it right here. It's definitely serum-y. And if you haven't ever used serums before, they're like super liquidy kind of texture. Oh. It kind of smells like Christmas trees. But I do get that like pomegranate smell, but it also like smells like Christmas trees. So, cool. I'm excited to use it. I'll be trying it out because, like I said, I've been on the hunt for an eye serum. So, let's see what else we got. Oh, Pure Cosmetics Silicone Pro Blender. So this is it right here. And this is the reason I laughed when I pulled it out, was because honestly, guys, I just purchased one because I was thinking it'd be a really cool video to do like my foundation with this. So I may actually save this for like a giveaway or something if you guys are interested. I'll probably do a giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers. So tell your friends, because I'll definitely be giving away some of the stuff that I haven't used. But this thing says it lasts for up to a year. I don't know. I'm super interested though, and I'm interested to see how the one I bought lasts, or if it says it lasts for a year. So I won't touch this one because I will throw it in a little bag where I'm kind of keeping some stuff stashed away for a giveaway. So I'm excited, and be sure to look out for that video to see if it actually works or not. That's exciting. All right, the last thing, which will be our, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, our 5th item, is from, it's Take Me to Stockholm. Oh, this is a cute little palette. It's from, if you can go to Call Me Maybe? Call Me Maybe? Like Call Me Maybe? That's cute. If that's not their name, I'm sorry. But if it is, oh my god, that is like the cutest thing ever to have a website called that. Anyways, this is the packaging. Like, how cute is that? That is the cutest packaging I've ever seen, y'all. So I'm gonna pull out its unicorn, and we can open her up. Oh no, one of my things is cracked. One of my shadows. Oh, but it's super soft, so I think I can just kind of press it down and like push it back in there. Oh yeah, this is no problem at all. No issues. All right, so these are the colors, and you can see this one was cracked, but I'll just swatch right here. Oh my god. You guys see it? The glare from this is too much. How stunning is that? Let me get a wipe. Oh my god, it's staring me right in my face. So that shade is called, if you're in Beauty in the Water. But this is a nice little palette. I love that green and the blue right there. I'm into it. You see it. And then you've got like a really nice brown, like khaki color right here. Let's see if I swatch that. Oh yeah, that's nice. You see that? Let's see, let's try that one. This one right here is called Old Town. Let's go to Swedish Night Train, which is like this blue, and it has a little bit of like, I think this blue is going to be a metallic. Uh-oh. I'm doing a terrible job swatching this, y'all. But look at that blue. You see, you can really see it right there. like how metallic that looks. You see that? Okay. We're going to try this green. It's called Green Capital. This green is like that blue. I'm doing a terrible job swatching tonight. But you can get the gist of it by looking. Holy crap, y'all. These are stunning colors. Oh my God. So wonderful looking palette. I cannot wait to use it. I definitely will be using it because holy crap, these colors are just everything. They're everything. How stunning are they, y'all? So that is it. That is everything I got. I'm trying to clean my fingers. In this month's bag from Yes Oh Yas. I'm blown away. Love this. If you're interested, they are cruelty free. So if that's important to you, this is cruelty free. So beautiful palette, silicone blender for your foundation, for anything liquid. Doesn't have to be just foundation. We've got eye serum, eyebrow brush, and an eye primer. So, whoa, looks like a lot of like eye stuff this month, which I love because I definitely needed some of these. But that is it, y'all. That's it for this video. If you are interested, like I said, I'll have everything linked down below. If you want to learn more about them and about their bags and the kinds of things that they do, they'll be linked down below. But that is it for this video. Be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.